guys, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today I'm going to show you another short Windows 10 tutorial on how you could restore the Windows command prompt option on your start menu. Whenever you try to right click, you'll want to show up Windows command prompt instead of Windows PowerShell. So it's fairly easy. We'll just jump right to it. Let's go to the search button on our taskbar and search for replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in Win+. Will take you to this settings part, and just simply toggle off this option and close the settings window, and right click on your taskbar to open up your task manager. Then find or simply locate Windows Explorer and hit the restart button, and now you could see that the Windows PowerShell will be replaced back to the command prompt setting. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.